Okay, we're going to take our slow Battement tendu with transference of weight, starting in 5th position, sideways to the bar, arm bras bar. On the intro, you're going to breathe 5, 6, little arm, 7, plie on 8. Using alternate legs, you're going to peel the back foot off the floor to coup de pied derrière, taking the arm to first. 1. Coupe under, staying on tendu. 2. You're going to dégager away from the bar. 3 with the arm 5th, looking out. 4. Slow tendu coming in and out, and in and out. Tendu en avant, transferring through plie. 4. To dégager derrière, arm, let's go of the bar to 4. Tendu en arrière to dégager, then 2 little metatarsal relevés, ends of the toes, ends of the toes. You're going to close 5th sideways, bras bar, plie. Starting with the front foot, picking up to coup de pied devant. 1, arm first, coupe over. 2, dégager towards the bar to arabesque. 3, hold. 4, going through the foot, slow tendu out and in and out. Go to the toes, you tendu en arrière, keeping the arms to first arabesque. Tendu en avant, transfer. Now manipulate the ends of the toes, metatarsal, little relevé, 5th sideways, plie bras bar. Last time, back foot lifts to coup de pied derrière, arm first, coupe under, dégager 2nd, and hold. Tendu through the foot, close back and out, closing front and out. Tendu to the toe, plie center, transfer away. Center, transfer back, 2 metatarsal relevé, relevé, rise 5th in front. Little balance at the end, take the arm to first, coupe over, take coup de pied derrière. Glue that heel underneath the calf. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Quick balance, 5 and a 6. Take the bar 7, coupe 8. Coup de pied devant. 2, 3 and a 4. Balance 5, 6. Close tight 5th. Lower bras bar. Have we got that? Good girl. Take a breath and squeeze the plie. Now feel of licking the floor with the ends of the toes and dégagé, hold. Through the foot, out, through. Now tendu, go to the toe, turning out the legs as you transfer. Through center, transfer. Ends of the toes, metatarsal, metatarsal. 5th, squeeze and peeling the toes off the floor. Hips diagonally towards the bar. Heel in, toes leading out, heels in and extend. Go to the toe, knees out as you transfer. Turn out the 4th, ends of the toes. Metatarsal, 5th, side, squeeze, plie, peeling the toes. And peel, and à la second, hips square to the front. Isolate the movement, just the leg and foot working, in, out. Now take the weight into the center as you transfer. Weight center in 2nd, transfer. Ends of the toes. Sharp metatarsal, rise to tight 5th, arms first. Coup de pied devant. Hold. Balance. And close 5th. Coupe under, coup de pied devant. 2, 3. Lock the position and test. On the sporting toes, 5th. And lower. Good girl. Take a breath and squeeze the plie. Now feel of licking the floor with the ends of the toes and dégagé, hold. Through the foot, out, through. Now tendu, go to the toe, turning out the legs as you transfer. Through center, transfer. Ends of the toes, metatarsal, metatarsal. 5th, squeeze and peeling the toes off the floor. Hips diagonally towards the bar. Heel in, toes leading out, heels in and extend. Go to the toe, knees out as you transfer. Turn out the 4th, ends of the toes. Metatarsal, 5th, side, Squeeze, plie, peeling the toes. And peel, and à la second. Hips square to the front. Isolate the movement, just the leg and foot working, in, out. Now take the weight into the center as you transfer. Weight center in second, transfer. End of the toes. Sharp metatarsal, rise to tight fifth, arms first. Coup de pied devant. Hold. Balance. And close fifth. Coupe under, coup de pied devant. 2, 3. Lock the position and test. On the sporting toes, fifth and lower. Good girl.